Hi there, I'm Jenny from 36Pix. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to deal with spill and discoloration on your subject while removing a blue screen background. Let's get started by choosing one of CloudKO Lite's background colors to make it easier to see the discoloration on our subject's clothing. I can scroll through the background colors by using the keyboard shortcut C for color. I'm going to choose gray, but you can choose whichever one you like. I can now see the blue spill that's visible on the shirt as well as the discoloration on his gray pants. The first step is to address the background blue by using a combination of the wand and brush tools. You can find detailed instructions on how to do this in one of our other tutorial videos. Once that's complete, I'm ready to address the discoloration on the pants. I'm going to select the pants and then use the selection tools to fill them, bringing back the gray color. For this, I'll need my wand tool, which I can call using the keyboard shortcut W or by pressing the wand button on the tool panel. Then I'm going to select his pants by clicking all around on them, being careful to only select the gray fabric. Once I have a selection I'm happy with, I'm going to move over here to the section of the tool panel called Selection Tools. Here I'll find everything I need to manipulate the selection and to fill the gray color back in. In this case, I want to make sure I set my feather and expand so I don't replace any of the background color around the edge of the pants. I'll change the feather value to 1 pixel, and my expand to -1 pixel, meaning that it'll contract instead of expand. I can do this by clicking inside the value box, changing the number, and then pressing enter to accept. Now, in order to apply these new values to my selection, I'll use the buttons found below the value boxes. In this case, I want to fill the pants, so I'll choose the Show Green button, or use the keyboard shortcut Shift and Delete. That's fixed the discoloration of the gray pants. All I have to do now is press D to deselect. Next, I'm going to address the blue spill on the shoulder of the subject's t-shirt. To do this, I'm going to use a low opacity brush. To call the brush tool, I can use the keyboard shortcut B for brush or click on the brush button in the tool panel. I want to take very small amounts of blue off the shirt with each pass, so I'm going to set my opacity to 10%. I can do this by clicking in the value box over here, typing 10 and pressing enter, or using the keyboard shortcut 1. Then I just paint smoothly over the areas I want to have less spill. Once the image is complete, press F8 to save it. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for information on the tools and actions offered by CloudKO Lite. Thanks for watching.